Now Ramadan comes and go, whether you fast or you don't fast. It is an amal. But when you have doubt here in your iman, is something else. Amal is something else. Iman is something else. Don't mix it up and don't confuse yourself. A lot of people are confused. They think namaz is iman. Namaz is amal. Amal that assists the iman, but it is a different thing. Iman is ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. So I'm stressing on these things because the situation has gone so bad in most of our masajid that there is no distinction of what is haqq and what is batil. What Allah says doesn't matter anymore. Is what the trustee says or what the people say. That's how Islam has been reduced. Islam को ऐसा लाकर ज़मीन पे रख दिया, उस पे अपना पैर लगा दिया. अब ये इस्लाम हमारा गुलाम है, हम जैसा कहेंगे वैसी होगा. This is how Islam has been now enslaved by ignorant people. Right. So they are controlling the deen at the moment, not the imam, but the imam has to say what they say. If the imam don't toe the line, then he must get out, find another job. You understand? It's no more Islam as priority. It is the people have become priority over Islam. Therefore the problem is started now. However, come back to what we were speaking. The Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam comes back and asks Aisha Siddiqa, "Ay Aisha, ask first, why did you follow me?" Why did you follow me? What? Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam had got eyes in the back. He got eyes in the back to see. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, "Beware how you perform your salah, because I watch how you make your ruku and your sujood is visible to me as if I am seeing in front of you, I see the behind me." Hadith al-Nabawi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, nothing is hidden from him. وَذَلِكَ جَلِيٌّ عِنْدَهُ لَا خِفَاءَ بِهِ is the last portion of this clause of faith, is that the intentions of the heart of the people are visible to the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the sun is visible to you when it's on the highest point. When it's midday, how the sun is visible to you. How is it visible to you? Very clear. Like that, your intentions of your heart, wherever you are, that is visible to the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, like the 12 o'clock midday sun is visible to you, not hidden from you. Aisha, why did you follow me? She said, "Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, I thought that which every woman will think." Sincere, sahabiya, छुपाने वाली बात नहीं. मैंने वो सोचा जो हर औरत सोचती है. I thought that which every woman thinks, meaning that he must have went to some other wife. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, "Aisha, do you think Allah and His Rasul will oppress you? कि Allah उसके रसूल तुम पर जुल्म करेंगे? मामला अल्लाह का नहीं है इधर. There is nothing here. There is a relation between husband and wife. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not involved here. Why the Nabi says, do you think Allah and His Rasul will oppress you? What was necessary to bring Allah in this matter between husband and wife? Husband, मियाँ बीवी का मामला, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala को बीच में लाने की क्या जरूरत है इधर? क्यों फरमाते हुजूर? Why? Why did He say that, do you think Allah and His Rasul will oppress you? क्या आप समझते हैं कि अल्लाह और उसके रसूल तुम पर जुल्म करेगा? अल्लाह का यहाँ क्या मामला है? सोचो, मियाँ बीवी का मामला है. कहती है, क्या do you think that the Prophet of Allah will, or the Prophet of Allah will oppress you? Why did he say, do you think Allah and His Rasul? Two different things. Allah and His Rasul will oppress you. Why? It is formation of belief. This is the art of formation of belief. It's building your mind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's giving is Nabi's giving. Allah's belief is Nabi's belief. Anybody believe in a Nabi is believing in Allah. Anybody believes in Allah is believing in the Nabi. एक मजजूब का वाक़या याद आया, इजाजत हो तो बोलूं. एक मजजूब का वाक़या. And spiritually intoxicated pauper of Allah. ये अल्लाह का एक मस्त कलंदर था. सूफी सरमद नाम था. सूफी सरमद रहमतुल्लाह अलैह. He passed away in Delhi. He was prosecuted in Delhi. He was beheaded in Delhi. And his mazar is in front of the main gate of Delhi Jami Masjid. Two mazars right by the gate. Hazrat Sayyid, Hazrat Sufi Sarmad Rahmatullah, Hazrat Hare Bhare Rahmatullah alayh. Two mazar sharif. Somebody asked him, what is after La ilaha illallah? La ilaha illallah के बाद क्या है? उस मस्त कलंदर ने कहा कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, nothing. Allahu Akbar. और लोगों को गुस्सा आया. They got very angry. He said, look at this man. How can he say there's nothing after La ilaha illallah? They went immediately to the Qaadiri Silsila at that the time of Sultan Aurangzeb's hukuma. I went and complained against him. This man is a heretic. Kafir ho gaya ye. La ilaha illallah ke baad keh raha hai kuch nahi hai. There is nothing after that. What it means? That his belief is half. Tawheed is cracked. They went by him, the ulema, and the Qaadiri Silsila went by him. He said, Sufi Sarmad, what are you saying? What is after La ilaha illallah? He said, kuch nahi. Nothing. Nothing. Then it passed the fatwa of heresy on him, and his head was chopped off. When his head was chopped off, he fell on the ground. His head fell on the ground one side, and the head that has been decapitated from the body is on the ground on one side, and the lips is saying La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. People say, ye dekho, look at this. He believes that Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is after La ilaha illallah. He's confirming it. Yes, he. Listen to it, see it, he's confirming it. Body one side, head one side. Passed away. But the head is saying La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, and people say he is confirming that Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is after La ilaha illallah. Sufi Sarmad Durwesh, when he heard people saying this, फौरन उनके तरफ आंख खोल के देखा कि तुम जब भी सवाल करते हो तो उल्टा सवाल करते हो. Whenever you are saying something, you say it wrongly. इसे अरे बेवकूफ or nada or ignorant. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not after Allah, it is with Allah. La ilaha illallah के बाद नहीं है, La ilaha illallah के साथ है. How much of difference between with and after? He came after me, he came with me. कितना फर्क? This is Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Don't be lethargic about him. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Aisha, why did you follow me? And he say, Allah or His Rasul will not oppress you. Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, oh Aisha, when you were asleep by me, Sayyidina Jibreel came, communicated. I heard him, but he hid his voice from you. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, oh Aisha, when Jibreel hid his voice from you and communicated and allowed me to listen to him, when I answered him, I allowed him to listen to my voice, but I hid it from you. Ya Nabi ka ikhtiyar dekho, ikhtiyar. This is one of the authorities of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He can be speaking to 1,000 people, but if he intends 5 people to listen to his voice, only 5 will listen to him, the rest will not hear a single word. Sahih Bukhari Shareef, Muslim Shareef, Abu Dawud Shareef, look at this kitab, you will find this hadith. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's authority, he puts his first step. And the first step he says, Ameen. He takes the second step on the mimbar. He says, Ameen. Takes the third step on the mimbar. He says, Ameen. Sahaba can see. Their vision were more sharper than our vision. Their understanding of deen was better than ours. In fact, we depend on them, their understanding, to understand the deen. Right? Because our perfection and progress and verification of deen depends on giving reference to them. Right? We are totally dependent on the Sahaba as far as our Iman and Islam is concerned. They are watching the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is saying Ameen on every step. They're hearing the word Ameen, but there is no reaction and there's no other thing besides that. What Sayyidina Jibreel is hiding his voice from the people and allowing the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam to hear it, but the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam now is exposing his voice to everybody. This exposure is for reason, because they will ask why, and the Nabi will explain. After the khutbah, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is asked, Ya Rasulullah, why did you say Ameen 3 times? He said, when I put my step on the first step of my leg on the first step of the mimbar, Sayyidina Jibreel arrived and he says, may he perish who hears your name and does not send salutations upon you. Sayyidina Jibreel said, तबाह हो जाए वो शख्स जो आपका नाम सुनकर आप पर दरूद ना पड़े सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Perish, may he be destroyed who hears your name and does not send salutations upon you. I said Ameen. Who's making dua? Sayyidina Jibreel. Who's saying Ameen? Sayyidul Anbiya, Sayyidina Mustapha sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Second dua, may he perish who has old and aged parents and does not earn Jannah from them. Nabi said Ameen. If you have parents living, put your head in sajda and make shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you have heritage with you and you have a surety of Jannah with you. And if you don't respect and love and honor and care for your parents, then listen to what the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says. May he perish, tabah ho jaye, who find their old parents and do not earn Jannah from them. Third step, Sayyidina Jibreel says, Ya Rasulullah, may he perish who finds Ramadan and he is not cleansed from his sins and his wrongdoings and doesn't earn the maghfirah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nabi said Ameen. Question here is, Ramadan al-Mubarak, who is making dua? Sayyidina Jibreel. Sinless making dua, and the king of the sinless is saying Ameen. An angel is masoom. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is masoom. Is so masoom that in fact by the masoomiyat and purity of the Nabi, the angel is pure. The purity of the angel depends on the purity of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because everything is sadaqah of rahmatul lil alamin. Right? So, where is dua being made? Not in Sadra. Sidra, not there on Baytul Ma'mur, where Sayyidina Jibreel's Qibla is, Baytul Ma'mur. Dua is not made in Baytul Ma'mur. There is Baytul Ma'mur, but in Baytul Ma'mur there is no Medina. So come down from Baytul Ma'mur